I am Bawarlal Jain, Executive Vice President of APREDA, Andhra Pradesh Real Estate Developers Association. As you have already heard, our President, Mr. P. Prem Kumar, and our Secretary General, Mr. Dasarath Reddy, we are going to have the biggest ever property show exhibition in Hyderabad on 15th and 16th October at HITEX. We are also going to have, along with this exhibition, intricate various types of art, urban art, paintings done by the upcoming and budding stars who will be depicting those paintings at the exhibition, and they will be depicting the paintings of urban development and the urban art. We are also having a conference with the partnership of Foundation for Futuristic Cities. It's a conference on vibrant cities and vibrant economy. We are having eminent speakers from all over the country, and some of them are international speakers. It's going to give a fantastic theme of how can be a smart city built, how can be the existing city becomes a smart city. We are also releasing a book of 19 strategies of the urban development collected by the Foundation for Futuristic Cities. That book is published by APREDA. It's a 600-page book which will be having completely 19 strategies contributed by world-class organizations and the corporates, which will be useful for the entire country, and it will be released on that day. We have also, for the persons who want to visit the exhibition, this exhibition will give you the total, all types of houses, villas, independent bungalows, or the apartments at your price. And we also like to bring you a very pleasant gifts through the lucky draw. The bumper prize is the Alto car, which will be there on bumper draw, will be there on 16th evening. The second prize for the bumper draw is a scooter, and the third prize we are having is a TV. Then we have every 2 hourly, in the morning, in the afternoon, 2 times, in the morning, in the afternoon, about 8 draws, where we will be drawing the lucky draws for the silver coins and gold coins. All the visitors are most welcome. Entry is free, a momentous occasion with a fantastic opportunity to buy your dream home. And we are expecting a very large gathering. We welcome all the citizens of Hyderabad and throughout Andhra Pradesh to come and make it a grand success. We are giving you very reasonable rates. All the builders who are joined there, they are going to give you a price which will be very attractive to you, and they are all reputed builders, and we will be having a wide range of availabilities, right from starting from 17 lakhs to the premium segments. Whoever wants, all the segments, all the stakeholders will be able to get their choice of dream home. I am the organization of our exhibition, a property show, and the conference in these difficult times would depict that yes, there may be a slight impact of the ongoing disturbances, but the real appetite, the real hunger, the real need for the home for the citizens of Hyderabad is there. We have always people who want to have their home. We have people now who really want at that price. The people who are speculators, the people who are going to buy it for inflation, the people who are going to buy for getting the appreciation in future, they are not there in the race. The people who are really in need of the home, they will buy it. These disturbances are all temporary, but we want to prove that Hyderabad in this crisis also comes out with flying colors. And APREDA is going to promote that Hyderabad, in spite of everything, is going to be a bright future, and that is the purpose of this exhibition, to send the message across the country, to send the message to everybody that city of Hyderabad will remain as vibrant as it is in future also.